Hey team, it's Dr. George here, and I just wanted to cover a couple of things in Corona Town. What's new? What's working? What isn't working? I suppose the most important thing is what's not working is ignoring it. Corona is here, and it's the actions that we do individually that make a big difference to our friends, to our family, to the people around us, to the people in our community. So you just can't ignore it. Surprisingly, having a toilet paper hoard in your second bedroom doesn't actually make a difference to the coronavirus. It's nice to know it's there, but it doesn't actually help. So what does help? I suppose the most important thing is being aware of how the virus is spread. And the virus is spread through coughs and through sneezes. If you inhale those droplets, you can get an infection. Or if those droplets land onto a surface and you touch them, you can then transfer the virus from your hands to your eyes, to your nose, to your mouth when you eat or when you touch your face. So the key things are social distancing. You need to try your absolute best to keep at least 1.5 meters away from people when you're in social situations. Hand washing is vital as well. It helps break the cycle. If you were to get any virus onto your hands, washing with soap and water for 30 seconds or alcohol-based hand sanitizer if you don't have access to water will kill the virus if it's on your hands. The times to be thinking about when you should be washing your hands are before you eat, before you're going to touch your face, after you've come in from outside, or after you've been to the bathroom. These are all important times to wash your hands. Now be aware that if you develop symptoms, and that includes a fever, a sore throat, tickle in the throat, sneezing, runny nose, but also loss of sense of smell, loss of the sense of taste, diarrhea, muscle aches and pains, it's important that you isolate, find out where your closest testing center is, and then organize to go to that testing center and get tested. If you have a mask, put the mask on before you head out in towards the testing center. On the subject of masks, it's very, very important to note that masks do help reduce the transmission of the virus. So if you are going out and about in public, into a space where social distancing may not be possible, it's an idea to consider wearing a mask. Please, 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 we are in this together. Let's look after each other. And I just wanted to recap and remember that social distancing, hand washing, isolation, and getting tested, these are all very important tools. In Australia now, they do say that if you are in a situation where you may not be able to socially distance, it's worth considering wearing some sort of face covering or a mask. Stay safe. And if you get sick, stay at home and get tested. Thanks, team.